Unboxing iTOUCH massage gun. As you can see, this is the package. Very good premium feel to the package. It's like a little suitcase. It has a zip that you'll just have to open on the side, and it will go right around. Once it's open, you'll have your massage gun packaged. You just open it up. Very premium feel to this unit over here. As you can see, on and off switch with the connector to charge the machine as well. So it's a sport version. You just switch it on. You'll notice the screen will light up. Put it on and increase your intensity. Very simple to operate. You'll notice that there's a lot of different heads. I'm using the ball head right now, putting it on and increasing the intensity, which is very good for back, joints, legs, as well as arms as well. Simply switch it off, remove the nozzle, put it back inside, put the package back inside as well. The different nozzles and the different heads will have a basic description in the manual, which is inside the unit as well. Simply just put it off when you're done, and that's your iTOUCH massage gun. Using the little shovel head, it's very good, very easy to operate. Most commonly used onto the legs. You've got the T-splitter, which is also good for the back and the shoulders. And as you can see, each head has a different feel to it as well. On the side, you'll notice there's a little charging cable that you can conveniently just charge your machine for. And like I mentioned, the little manual, it's very easy to operate. You'll just look through it. It'll give you little descriptions on the heads and how to use it and what to use it for. That is your massage gun from iTOUCH SA.